Check all of the boxes to make sure you have everything you need. Make sure that the chair is reclined and clear of obstructions for safe assembly. Locate the left side air hoses and electrical plug on the body of the chair that will be connected to the left side armrest. Locate the right side air hoses and electrical plug on the body of the chair that will be connected to the right side armrest. While holding the armrest up, connect the air hoses and electrical plug to their corresponding connector on the main body. Insert the notched bar into the slot as shown above. Then hook the front of the armrest into the open slot located at the front of the main body. Using 2 of the 6 screws provided, secure the front of the armrest to the chair by screwing them in. Locate the shoulder pads and cover. Unzip the shoulder cover and locate the hole. Using 1 of the 6 screws, secure the shoulder to the armrest by screwing it in. Zip the shoulder cover back up. Repeat for the other armrest. Locate the electrical plug and air hose connections. Then connect them to their corresponding connectors on the main body. Locate the latches on the main body. Unscrew them, then lift up the latches. Then, carefully lift the footrest and fit the bars into the hooks. Close the footrest latches and screw the screws back in. Zip in the zipper on the top of the footrest to complete the installation. The remote control can be plugged into the socket on the right side of the chair. The power cable can be plugged into the back of the chair and turned on by flipping the power switch. You can now enjoy your RELAXONCHAIR Vita-3D Massage Chair.